Welcome back to the CMD Crash Course. If you've been following along, that means you can already move through folders and work with files like a pro. Now it's time to level up and use CMD to get inside information about your system and even troubleshoot problems. By the end of this module, you'll know how to check your IP address, test your internet connection, view running processes, get detailed system info, and even shut things down when they misbehave. Let's get started. First up, finding your IP address. Make sure you are connected to a network. Open up CMD and type ipconfig. This shows a ton of information about your network. Scroll until you see IPv4 address. That's your local IP address on your network. Now, let's test an internet connection. Type ping google.com. Ping basically sends little packets of data to a website and waits for a response. If you see reply from, your connection is working. If you see request timed out, then something's wrong with your connection. Okay, let's talk about processes. Think of processes as all the apps and background tasks running on your computer. Type tasklist. Whoa, that's a lot. You'll see every program, background service, and even system processes. It's like peeking behind the curtain of Windows. Let's say a process is frozen and no longer responding. And even when you try to close it using the close button, it doesn't close. You can use the taskkill command to close it. For example, if Notepad is running, find it in the list, then type taskkill /imnotepad.exe/f. The /im means image name, /f means force close. Careful with this one. If you kill the wrong process, you could close something important. Now for some detailed system information. Type systeminfo. CMD will display everything about your PC. Windows version, build number, memory, BIOS, even the last time it booted up. This is super useful for troubleshooting or when someone asks you, "Hey, what version of Windows are you on?" Bonus trick, if you want to see your computer name, just type hostname. It'll spit out the name your PC uses on the network. Let's recap what you just learned. ipconfig, check your IP address. Ping, test internet connection. Tasklist, view all running processes. Taskkill, close a process. Systeminfo, detailed system report. Hostname, show your computer name. That's a powerful set of tools right there. In the next module, we're going to unlock CMD power tricks like chaining commands, piping output, and redirecting text into files. That's when CMD starts feeling really powerful. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for the next module, and comment below. What's the coolest thing you just learned? Was it finding your IP, killing a task, or pulling system info? I'll see you in Module 4.